guys, today I'm going to be opening this mystery box and I'm going to see what's inside of it. Ah, it's a card. I can't get it.
Whoa. What is that?
A skateboard. A real one.
Let me see. Stand on it. What do you think?
Cool.
Do you want to know who it's from? It's from Olivia, Jake, and Max.
Wait,
What do you
they
say?
had-
They saw your videos and they thought you needed a bigger skateboard, so their mom got you one. Isn't that nice of them?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thanks.
And you'll be sending them a thank you card. That's awesome. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. It's cool.
And what are you going to wear when you try it out?
A helmet and knee pads and elbow pads.
Right. All right.
Bye.